channel. This is your girl Queen She, and today I brought you another unboxing. Today we're going to unbox my Ipsy Glam Bag X for the month of February. For those who are not familiar, the Glam Bag is $58 every 3 months, and you get 8 full-size products. You get to choose 3 products on Choice Day, and also Ipsy recently did this thing where you can pay extra $16, and it's called a beauty boost, and you would get an extra product in your box. So instead of 8 products, you will get 9 products, and that product will be way over that value of $16. So, and also, I did it. I did it, guys. These multi-chromes from my ice cream beauty box that's on my eyes now, I love them. I would tell you guys, they are very, very pigmented. So enter with caution, guys. Enter with caution because you look like a clown. But other than that, I love them. They're the truth. They're the best. And also, happy Valentine's Day to all the lovers out there. I hope you guys are enjoying your Valentine's Day. And for those that are out there that are single, hey, still happy Valentine's Day. And love on yourself. There's nothing wrong with giving yourself some flowers and some candy. Self-love is the true love. Also, it is Black History Month, and like I say in my previous videos, every day I post up a video, I'm going to give a shout out to a company, a Black-owned company, for contributing to Black history. So today, my shout out goes out to my cousin, Miss Kassan Stevens Hansberry. My cousin, she owns her own dentistry. I watched her growing up, working hard on her dentistry, putting herself through school, and she did it. And now she's the proud owner of Stevens Dentistry. And I'm proud of you because thank you for making Black history. So stay tuned for my unboxing. So this how it comes, guys. It comes in a box, not in a bag. You know, usually the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus usually comes in bags, but the Glam Bag X comes in a box. So when it comes just like this. I already cut the tape off of the safety seal to make it a little easier to get into. It comes like this. And it has a newsletter in here. And usually they always have like a curator. They'll choose a curator to create the box based on like what beauty products or makeup that they love. And this month we have, I just knocked my light over. This month we have Sarah, like Bailey's Sarian, and she's a big time YouTuber, TikTok influencer. She's really, really known. I personally don't know too much about her, but I've heard a lot about her. I heard she's the bomb when it comes down to makeup and stuff like that. Inside the newsletter, it has like the prices of the products and a description of the products as well. And also it have like the different products that you could have gotten in your box. Um, the one I really wanted to get so much was the Scott Barnes palette. That's this right here. I really wanted that. And I didn't get it. I was disappointed. I was. But hey, you know, I have some there's some cool things in my box. And also, I think I did mention that you do get to choose 3 products. And when I get to those, I tell you guys the ones that I chose. But we're going to start with the ones that Ipsy chose for us. So my first product in the bag is by KIRAMOON. It's their Star Jelly Magic Resurfacing Facial. And this retails for $45. And it says Star Jelly Magic Resurfacing Facial is a 4-in-1 treatment that gently buffs away dead skin cells and tightens pores, revealing smoother, glowier, and more clarified skin. It says apply an even layer to clean skin using the brush or your fingertips, avoiding eye area, gently massage into the skin for 20 seconds. Leave on for 20 to 30 minutes, then rinse off completely using lukewarm water. Use 2 to 3 times per week or whenever skin is looking dull. Vegan, gluten-free, fragrance-free, and it is cruelty-free. And it has this cute little heart on here. Goes along with the whole Valentine's theme. So this is how it looks out of the box. And it does come with a brush. And let's see. Okay. Okay, I see. Okay, so you twist the top, and that's to unlock it. Oops. It just got on my computer. And then you twist the top closed. That's neat. That's neat. Let's see. Oh, okay. I locked it with that. Okay, so this is how it looks. Out of the formula looks. It is kind of like watery, so I mean it must be water based. So I mean it's not heavy. It's not heavy, and it doesn't feel oily or anything. It does feel really hydrating and moisturizing to my skin. It doesn't really have a fragrance. It's very light, like very, very, very light. So that's good if you like have allergies or something like that. I've had moisturizers that was like smothered in perfume that just triggered my allergies, and I don't even use it anymore. So that's neat. So that's our first item. Our second item we have from is Makeup Forever. Is their liquid lipstick, and this retails for $25. Unfortunately, it is not cruelty free. So if you are one of those that don't like to use products that are tested on animals, this wouldn't be a good one for you. But if you're not, then you would probably like this. Mine is in the shade Chili for Life. And it is their liquid. Yeah, it is liquid, but then okay, so it starts off liquid, I guess, and it dries matte. So it's supposed to last for 24 hours. Let's take a look. There she looks. Okay. She's cute. I love the packaging. It's really pretty. It kind of almost reminds me of the Fenty lipstick that has this long pointy I guess tip. And there's the body. I mean, I kind of liking the color. I think this is something that I would rock. And this is how the doe looks. It's slanted and it has like a short stem. So it kind of makes it easy to get to. Let's go try it and see. It's pretty. It seems like it has a light, I don't know, like a bougie perfume smell to it. It's really pretty. I like it. So we're going to test it out and see if it's going to dry down matte. Make my lips look kissable. Okay, so we'll move right along. The next item in our box is by Too Faced. It's their Better Than Sex mascara, and this retails for $28. And it says a mascara. What? A mascara so amazing. It's better than sex. Go ahead and cry happy tears. Better Than Sex mascara is waterproof. Our hourglass shaped brush was designed after discovering the bust waist hip ratio of an iconic silver screen. Blonde bombshell held the secret to the perfect brush silhouette that separates, coats, and curls each lash to voluptu- voluptuous perfection. Lashes are full, defined, and stretched to unbelievable lengths for voluminous, waterproof lashes. Oh snap! That's crazy. I think we have some ghosting here. My light just fell. Okay, so this is how it looks, and I'm going there and see. Oh, she's pretty. Oh, she's stunning. And on like these little water spots, you guys. I don't know if you guys can see them. Yeah, like these little water spots here, you can actually feel them. So they kind of like got this 3D feel to it, and it has their name Better Than Sex at the top and waterproof, and by Too Faced. I'm not going to open it because I don't want to limit the shelf life. You know, once you open a mascara, it starts the shelf life um, clock to start ticking. And I have a gazillion mascaras. Like I say, when you have these subscription boxes, you can always get some kind of mascara, a liner, an eyeliner, or a lip liner, and some kind of gloss or balm. So that's a good thing about that. So, but once I get to it, I want to try it out. I want to try it out because I've heard so much about it, and I love Too Faced products. So I'm sure it's pretty good. Okay, so we're gonna move on. Next thing we have in here is by Drunk Elephant. It's a PROTINI Power Peptide RESURF Serum. And that's what it looks like. And this retails for $82. And it says this mega strength AM PM serum combines our greatest array and strongest levels of skin fortified signal peptides, plant derived growth factors, and supportive amino acids with exfoliating 10% lactic acid for a dramatic improvement in the appearance of skin's textures, tone, ratings, and bounce. With its ultra concentrated blend of 11 peptides, PROTINI Power Peptide Resurface Serum delivers plump, bouncy skin while targeting a dull, uneven complexion. So I've heard a lot about Drunk Elephant. Now this is my first time getting it, or well, anything from Drunk Elephant. I've heard this is like a really, really high end skincare brand, and for $82 is pretty. It's a pretty penny. So this is how it looks outside the box, and looks like, and it has a little top here. So let's see. Okay. Oh, all right. So you twist the top like that, and it pops out. That's neat and cool. I'm looking forward to trying this out. This is my first time getting their products in a box or even trying their products, and I'm looking forward to it. I really am. Okay, I can't wait to try this out. I'm very excited on receiving this here, and I love it. It's cute. Okay, so our next product out of the box is from Laura Mercier. It's their translucent loose setting powder and light catcher. And that's how it looks. And this retails for $26. No, I'm sorry. $40. This retails for $40. And it says the iconic translucent loose setting powder in a customizable light creating finish sets makeup for 12 hours with a multi-dimensional effect that perfects, blurs, and smooths by creating light through a combination of skin tone, contrasting, and correcting pearls. To set all over face, use the Velour Puff Glow Brush or Powder Brush to add dimension or warmth to complexion. Use ankle cheek contour brush on high points. All brushes sold separately. Do not inhale. Like we're going to inhale it. Alright, so you're going to check it out. And I'm very, very pleased to get Laura Mercier in here. This is another very, very good brand. So this is how it looks outside the box. And it's in Cosmic Rose. And it does come with a little seal, and it has a little hose up here. Let's see. Yeah. I'm going to check it out and see. Because I read some reviews on it, and apparently people said it has a lot of sheer to it to be a setting powder. So we're going to check it out. Okay, so yeah. So this is how it looks on my finger. So it looks more like a highlighter versus a setting powder. Oh, yeah. 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 I wouldn't use this as a setting powder. I would use this more for a highlighter. Yeah. And it's too pinkish to use as a contour or a bronzer. So I would use this for definitely for a highlighter. Definitely. Cause that's a lot of glitter in there. But hey, it's Laura Mercier, so we can't really be too bummed out about that. Trust me. Alright, so let me wrap this up in my hand. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see the glistening specks. Yeah. Yeah. This wouldn't be good as a setting powder. No, definitely not. Definitely not. It has a lot of shimmer into it. And with me, I have dry skin, and me putting that kind of shimmer and that on my skin, no. That would be not good. Okay, so now we're down to my choice items. So my first choice item I chose was the Natasha Denona. It's their Lip Euphoria Gloss Balm, and she retails for $26. The choice items really wasn't that good for me, so I kind of just picked some stuff. So this is how she looks out of the box. Okay, she's cute. She's pretty. It's like this little orange color, kinda. And this is in duochrome coral. She's cute. I don't know. It looks kind of old though. I don't know if you guys can see this. I don't know, but I can see like where it's kind of like separating. I don't know. Let me see. What is the? It doesn't have the expiration date though. I'm gonna trust that it's still good. It just looks like that. Okay, so this is how it looks out of the box. Okay, she got a little like a. It's a thin doe fur. It's cute. She smells like peppermint. Okay. 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 Oh, girl. Oh my. She is. She is a duochrome. Oh my. Cause like in the light over here, she look like to you guys, she looked like this coral color. But like to me, it's like when the light hits it, she has like this greenish pink color to her. I mean, really. But she's pretty. Girl, she's cute. I like her. I like her. I want to put it on my lips, but I want to see how this Makeup Forever matte, well, liquid matte lipstick says to make my lips feel. So far, it does make my lips feel a little bit dry, and it could be because they were dry prior to this. I didn't have any gloss or anything on my lips, so maybe I should add this to her. I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Why not? Okay. Hmm. I wanted to test it out though. Oh, okay. It shows hers the color of my lipstick. She's pretty. Mm-hmm. She made the. I could taste the peppermint in it. Oh yeah. Mm. Now that's cool. So the next thing we have is one of my second picks is by 5 cents. Is their catching feelings. Is their catch feelings perfume, and this retails for $65. It says a first kiss of lash, ruby grapefruit and rose hit you at first blush at its core. This scents smoky heart unfurls to become all lathery, floral, crushed petals, suede wrapped in silk. Crushed florals will leave you crushing on this edible scent. Clean, vegan, clean, vegan fragrances, female founded and cruelty free. What's going on with me? I can't read today. I can't talk today. Purpose driven, eco conscious. Okay. See how she looks out the box. Okay. She really in there snug. Oh, that's cute. It says ignite your senses. Oh, that's cute. And on this side, it says own your energy. This is so cute. I didn't see that at first. I just felt the words. Okay, it's a cute little bottle. Okay, she looks like this. Let's see. Like I get like fragrances from Ipsy, and I actually like them a lot. Oh wait, what kind of spray? Okay, okay. Mmm. Holy. I don't know. This smells. This sounds familiar. This kind of reminds me of like the Versace for men and another smell. I know that Versace smell from anywhere. It makes the ugliest man like so sexy. Oh man, this does smells really good. Like really good. Like really good. Okay, okay. All right, I like that. I like that a lot. You know, I was reading the description when I before I made my choice finalized. I'm like, man, I don't know if I'm like that smell. But I actually like that smell, believe it or not. It smells good. Very good. Okay, last but not least, I have a eyeshadow palette. This is from Author Beauty. And Author Beauty goes for $58. It's their Manifest palette, which I do have another palette by them, and I actually love it. It's kind of old, guys, so don't talk about my palette. She's very loved. And what I love about Author's palettes is that they are the whole box is recyclable. So that's why they doesn't put mirrors in it. So it looks like out the box it looks pretty much the same. So I don't have to hide it. And on the inside it has like where it's on the inside and it says, "Hello, beautiful. We have removed the mirror and magnets inside to be more sustainable. We strive to make the best sustainable choices in all of our products. And let's be real, you're probably using this palette in front of a mirror anyway. By removing the mirror and magnets, it becomes fully recyclable and we are saving this palette from going directly to the landfill. It's a win-win for both you and our Mother Earth. Thanks for your love and understanding. Good Vibes Beauty." Excuse me. So here are the shades. They're really pretty. I'm really digging this shade up here. Oh, let's see if I can see it. This one right here. I like this one and I kind of like this one here. It looks like something that I would actually do. Let's see. We have, okay, so on the box, it do tell you the names of the shades on here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes, and the rest are shimmers. It says 12 limited edition shades in ultra matte, shimmer, duochrome, metallic finishes to create gorgeous ethereal looks. Crystal charged pigment infused with amethyst power, which helps to illuminate the skin with its light reflective crystals. Formulated with organic coconut oil, organic shea butter for uber smooth one swipe application. made with aloe vera, a cactus plant with more than 75 activists, including vitamins, minerals, sugar enzymes, salicylic acid, and amino acid. Okay, so we're going to swipe a few. I think I'm going to swatch Power. That's this one here. I think we're going to do Goals. That's this one right here. And, and we're going to do, of course, we're going to do Dreams. That's something right here. Oh, shut the front door. That's Dreams right here. And this one is Goals. And this one is Power. She's gorgeous. I like that. She's beautiful. She's very beautiful. I like that. I like that. She's really beautiful. Like, gorgeous. Very gorgeous. I love that. I can't wait to play in that palette. I love eyeshadow palettes, guys. Like, they're the treats of beauty boxes. Like, they are. Guys, if you hear any noise in the background, I am a mom, and that's my son, my 5-year-old. And, oh, this is cute. It has a cute little cord in here. That's neat. Here. And it says, like the high priestess, be unquestioning of your knowledge and power. That is so cute. That's really cute. I like that. It's cute. Alright, so we're going to put that one away. And our last item is our Beauty Boost. This one is our booty. Why I say booty? Beauty Boost. And it's another product from Drunk Elephant. It's their F-BALM Electrolyte Water Face Mask Hydrant. And this retails for $52. Whoop. It says, this coolest quenching overnight mask plumps and restores with an electrolyte cocktail while strengthening the skin's acid mantle with a blend of barrier replenishing ingredients including niacinamide, sodium PCA, plant squalane, 5 forms of ceramides, omega fatty acids, and powerful antioxidants. F-BALM effectively rehydrates hungover, overly parched skin, making it soft and supple. Tiny beads loaded with vitamin F burst during application to deliver extra emollients and soothing hydration. In addition to restoring the balance of hydration and moisture levels in skin, F-BALM electrolytes water facial can improve signs of damage, uneven tone, and texture. Okay. Okay. So that's how it looks in the box. Out of the box. And also, looks like we have a sample of. Okay, it looks like a sample of their TLC Framboise Cycolic Night Serum. Okay. Okay. So that's how this looks. So we got a little free sample. Now there's something extra in the box. And okay, so it has a little plastic seal up here. I just dropped it. I was trying to catch it. So, okay. So you do we just pump? Okay, yeah, we just pump. Okay. Oh, it just got on my nose. Oh, okay. So that's how it looks. It smells good, to be honest with you. It's not like a strong scent or anything. It has like that. It's like a clean scent to it. It smells really does smells really good. I can't wait to try it. I'm looking forward to it. Like really, like I'm happy to get two products in from Drunk Elephant to say I've never tried their products. Now I have two. Well, technically two and a half because I did get a free sample of one of their serums. What is static? So we're going to recap on what we have. This is my beauty boost. We have the Drunk Elephant Electrolyte Waterfall Mask for $52. We have the Laura Mercier uh, for $40. Her setting powder. That really should have been a highlighter. We have the Lara Moon for $45. Their Star Jelly. We have a perfume by 5 cents, Catch Feelings for $65. We have NATASHA DENONA for $26. Her lip balm. We have our eyeshadow palette by Arthur Beauty. We have our Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced for $28. We got a lot. We have another product from Drunk Elephant. Their PROTINI POWERPEPTIDE RESURF Serum for $82. And lastly, we have our Makeup Forever um, makeup lipstick for for $25. And wow, and the my Drunk Elephant, my beauty boost, remember that was $52. That basically almost paid for my box. Like we got all this stuff in here. So we got a mixture of skincare and makeup. Like this box here was full. You can beat that. And if I collected, if I calculated correctly, without my beauty boost, my box value is $369, and they say up to $350. So with my beauty boost, that boosted my box up to $421 worth of products. I think that my box was well worth it. It was well worth it. I mean, for $74, I got skincare, I got eyeshadow, I got perfume, I got everything I need to have a good date tonight on Valentine's Day. Like, seriously. And in a very long time, I have not seen an Ipsy box look this good. I mean, she's nice and heavy, and I'm satisfied. And I can't wait till I get my Queen She box in. I'm gonna do a comparison and compare to see which box was the best. So I'm really satisfied with this. You guys let me know what you think, and if you do have this box or the subscription in this box, let me know what you have in your box and if you're satisfied with it or if you're not. And also, I thank you guys for watching my videos. And please, guys, like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so whenever I do post them new videos, you guys would know. And also, again, man, this stuff is the truth. I love it. I keep looking at my eyes. I love it. I love it. So yeah, go check this video out about ice cream. I unboxed it. Guys, check that out. Guys, y'all are sleeping on these beauty boxes. Like, for real. So, but I'm not gonna hold you guys any longer. Y'all go enjoy y'all Valentine's Day, and always, my queen sisters, do not forget that you are royalty. I love y'all. Be safe again. See y'all the next time.